What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book of Entertainment. So it's early January, schools are reopening, and there is chaos, due to placements. There are lots of parents, who are saying we still have our kids, and they haven't gotten a place at school. And this is, because there are so many like kids out there who want a placement at school, but the schools are limited. They can only take a certain number. That means there are so many that are going to be left out without any placements. And due to this, like so much numbers, that need placement, everybody sort of like rewinding the clock and going back to Panyaza Sophie and the Bella Bill, which was signed, and it's one of Panyaza Sophie was one of the people, who were advocating for the Bella Bill to be signed, and he was pushing for it, campaigning for it to such an extent that he got lots of support, from so many people throughout the country. But there was one specific part, that went over the heads of the people, and I think it also went over the head of Panyaza Sophie, because people are blaming him, to say you didn't communicate clearly, that the education is going to be provided to everyone and even those who are illegally in the country. So that wasn't communicated clearly when Panyaza Sophie was getting that support. And now it's coming to reality now, but the bill has already been signed. It's now an act and it's not going to be removed, because you have the EFF supporting that. So this is where we are. And Panyaza Sufi is nowhere to be seen. He is no longer talking about the Bella Bill or explaining it anyway. He wants to hear nothing about it. So everybody's blaming him for the disaster. But I think, he didn't see that specific part. He was also in the same boat with everybody. When they saw the DA opposing the Bella Bill, Panyaza Sophie was just like everyone, and supported the Bella Bill because the DA was opposing it. He didn't see those specific details, that mattered. And this is where we are. So the only solution now is to build more schools. That's the only solution that is there. Is to build more and more and more schools that can accommodate everyone so that scenarios like these do not occur. So that's all. I'll catch you guys on the next one.